next project. So we're just gonna go over some basics real quick. We're gonna use Python 3, which I've installed on all of your computers, and we're also gonna use a program called Sublime Text, which is where we're gonna actually write our code. So if I go to the Launchpad, Sublime Text is one of the apps that is there now. So you go ahead and open it. Just go ahead and say open. And it gives us a blank document. So this is where we're going to type our code. Where we run the code is called terminal. So on a Mac, if you just click the Launchpad and type in terminal. On a PC, it might be like the command CMD. So this is what terminal looks like. There are a few commands that you type in to navigate through your computer system in terminal. ls is one of them. What it does is it lists everything that's in the folder. So right now I'm in my home folder, which is my username, so this will probably be your ID number, and I type ls, and these are the folders and or documents that are listed in that folder. So I'm going to go to my desktop here, go up to File and choose New Folder, and I'm going to name this my text RPG. So we are going to program a text-based game that will run in the terminal. So if I go, let's see, CD desktop, that will take me to the desktop folder. So now when I type ls, it shows me the list of everything that's in my desktop folder. CD text RPG, that will take me inside the folder that's text RPG. So when I do the ls in this, there should be nothing in it, so it didn't list anything, since it's a brand new folder and has no files in it. So this is where I will be when I need to run my Python program. Now I guess I need to start writing it. So I have my Sublime Text. I'm just going to go ahead and say save as, so that I can choose where I am saving my file. It pops up. I'm just going to say game, push the little arrow, click on desktop, find my folder text RPG, game.py for Python. Save. Now when I hit ls on the terminal, there is my game.py, and we are set up to start programming, and we can run the program in the terminal window.